Hey guys, thank you so much for coming to my channel. My name is Miss C. If you'd like to see how I made this shirt in Silhouette Studio and cut it out with my Cricut, stay tuned for the video. This is the design that I'll be making today. I ordered the ruler from Cricut, so can't wait for it to come. To mirror it, so I will be placing it face down on the mat. See that? So now I'm just filling in the rhinestone portion of the design with topaz rhinestones from Axiland warehouse, and they are in the size that says 10. I don't even have my picker tool. So this is a shirt that I'll be using. It's a large gilded black shirt, and it is from Michaels. So I did remove the design from the Cricut mat and just print. This puff is so sensitive. And now I'll just get the KTM mask in order to transfer the rhinestone portion of the design onto the shirt. So now I'm just pressing the shirt to get the moisture out, and also to see where the crease is for the middle of the shirt. And then I put another pillow on there to get the pressure. I only needed a few seconds for that. Now for the puff. Ooh. I'm not going to try it. I'm going to do it. Then I'm going to put the rhinestone portion of the design down and press for another 10 seconds. Now let's see if this puffs up. There you go. I don't even know if you can appreciate the puff from this video. This is so beautiful. How puffy it is. Well, let me know, guys. Let me know what you think, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And keep going, growing, and glowing. See you in the next one.